Hey, Mr. Avery, Trent, Tate here with Tameron Honda and Hoover. Thank you so much for giving us a call just moments ago. Know you're hunting that CRV EX. I actually have the gunmetal metallic, I have the modern steel metallic, and I've got the white with the ivory interior. This is actually the gunmetal metallic, which was the first option you were telling me about. So I do have that vehicle in stock. The EX package itself is going to come decked out with all the newest technology. So you're going to get the LED daytime running lights, the sensing technology, which gives you adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist systems, so it'll have an active road departure mitigation warning system for you. It will also correct you in your lane, as well as front and collision braking. That will be standard. And it has the nice new touchscreen, which is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's got the gear shift right there, which gives you a sport mode and drive and eco drive to maximize your fuel economy, electronic parking brakes. The big upgrade to me is how much room is in the second row. You mentioned having that 2016 that got totaled out. This one's gonna give you a lot more leg room. You've got rear AC vent standard in the back. The seats still fold down in a 60-40 split, so I know you're familiar with that. But it's got a turbo engine now. I mean, it's got more power accessible to you. I know the vehicle's gonna be for your wife. Let me know what I can do to assist. Give me a call today, 205-504-2358. I attached the price we discussed along with this email. So we're ready to go to work for you, as you can see. And I can make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.